Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save your file in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Once you've finished editing your design in Canva, head over to the top right corner and click on Share. From the menu that opens, select Download. You'll now see different options for exporting your file. Click on File Type and choose the format you want to save your project in. For example, if you're downloading a document, you might want to select PDF. After choosing the file type, Canva will show you additional options related to that format. In the case of a PDF, you can choose to flatten the file so it prints correctly and keeps everything in place. Once you've selected the options you need, click on the Download button. Canva will then start exporting your project, and the file will automatically download to your computer. After the download is complete, you can find your saved Canva project in your Downloads folder and open or share it as needed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can save your file in Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.